How to complain to booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with your reservation on booking.com, this video will guide you on how to file a complaint. Start by opening booking.com application and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, scroll down and then go to Help and Support section. Click on Contact Customer Service. From there, choose the reservation you're having trouble with by clicking the arrow or anywhere in that section. On the following screen, you will see an option to message the customer service. You can type in your message and send it, and they will respond within a few hours. And if your issue is urgent and you prefer to speak to someone directly, you can find the contact number. Go back to previous screen and scroll down until you find I can't find my booking. Tap on it. Now select the option that applies to you. For example, choose stays. You will be prompted to enter your reservation confirmation number, and PIN code if you have them. If you don't, continue scrolling to the bottom of the page and then click on More Contact Options. Then select Call Customer Service. And the local contact number for your country will be displayed. You can call this number to speak with someone at booking.com. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.